The growing spread of coronavirus has caused a surge in demand for certain jobs, as world organizations look for ways to address the outbreak and the anxiety around it. LinkedIn data shows a demand for workers in roles that are on the front lines of helping us navigate this pandemic, and are critical to supporting the rapidly changing healthcare and infrastructure needs of the country. Based on LinkedIn job posts in the world between March 15 to 21, 2020, these are the most in-demand jobs in the world and the companies with the most open jobs. Top 10 jobs in high demand due to the coronavirus. Number 1. Healthcare workers. One of the listed healthcare occupations that medical organizations are hoping to hire are registered nurses that can help with coronavirus screening as it continues to spread globally. Coronavirus has already killed 9 people in Washington state, with over 100 confirmed cases across the U.S. It has spread across 70 countries, with the highest number of cases reported in China. The report mentioned a job posting looking for a registered nurse to help with screenings in airports and at a quarantine location within a military base. Number 2. Data specialists. Glassdoor noted that not only is there a need for people to help patients diagnosed with coronavirus, there's also a need for people to look at data related to the disease. Data is playing an important role during the outbreak, as it helps understand the severity level of the outbreak by examining the estimated number of cases in reported countries, although the exact number of cases is difficult to collect. According to The Atlantic. It's also helpful for investors to examine economic activity, according to MarketWatch. One of the companies looking to fulfill an immediate contract data specialist is Translators Without Borders. They are seeking a person who can work remotely to analyze and make sense of data related to the coronavirus outbreak. Number 3. Researchers and scientists. The report noted scientists are needed for testing and reviewing lab data related to the coronavirus. Researchers are playing a vital role in discovering information about the outbreak. Interestingly, the way scientists are communicating is changing as a response to the outbreak. According to Science magazine, many scientists are using Slack to help communicate their findings to scientists in different locations. One of the job postings for scientist on Glassdoor is from staffing agency Kelly Services. The company is looking for a microbiologist to immediately fill a contract position at one of their healthcare client organizations. Number 4. Communications specialists. In addition to conducting medical research and assisting patients with coronavirus, Glassdoor also saw companies seeking professionals who can share news and inform readers all about the outbreak. One of the staffing agencies listed in the report hopes to find a communications consultant who can write advice regarding the outbreak in various languages. Number 5. Certified Public Accountant. Most CPA business executives said they haven't yet seen an impact from coronavirus, although 21% reported at least a slight impact. Those affected said they had seen some combination of supply chain interruptions, 10%, factory shutdowns in China or other affected regions, 7%, and decreased sales to China, 5%, or other markets, 3%. The survey polls chief executive officers, chief financial officers, controllers, and other CPAs in U.S. companies who hold executive and senior management accounting roles. Number 6. Store associate. Whole Foods announced on March 31 that it is hiring 5,000 employees across 500 stores. We believe our role serving customers and the community during this time is a critical one, the company wrote. We care about our team members, customers, and products, and we're evaluating the coronavirus, COVID-19, situation in real time. We will continue to update this page on the actions we're taking and how you can find employment at Whole Foods Market during this time. Walmart announced on March 19 that it planned to hire 150,000 hourly associates to meet increased demand during the coronavirus outbreak. These positions, which include roles at stores, clubs, distribution facilities, and fulfillment centers, will be temporary at first, but many will convert to permanent roles over time, according to the company. Number 7. Construction worker. Construction work on the new Compton and Edric stands at Lords is to continue, despite the UK's ongoing lockdown in response to the COVID-19 novel coronavirus outbreak. Work at Lords, which will increase capacity to 31,000, is being carried out by construction firm ISG and will continue unless government advice changes. Number 8. Psychologist. A clinical psychologist and behavioral health consultant develop a virtual town hall to address anxiety, depression and other mental health. Daily guidance and support for dealing with those stressors is coming from psychologists, who are essential members of the healthcare team at Nebraska Medicine and the University of Nebraska Medical Center, UNMC, where the group is being treated and quarantined. Challenges among people being held at a national quarantine center. Number 9. Academic advisor. Administrators at college and university campuses have started to urge faculty members to be flexible with students amid the current COVID-19 outbreak. Advisors will need to explore new methods using technology to serve their students, making the mantra "meet students where they are" more relevant than ever before. Online and video meetings will become a student's best friend. Several online platforms can make that happen, but my favorite is Zoom. The platform is dynamic and intuitive, and best of all, it is free for basic one-on-one use. Number 10. Delivery driver. To help gig workers make ends meet during these times of job insecurity amid COVID-19, New York City is offering gig workers who are licensed with the TLC to help with delivery work. NYC says it expects demand to increase for meal delivery to senior citizens and other residents who need to stay home. Amazon will open 100,000 full and part-time positions in its fulfillment centers and delivery network as it sees a spike in demand for e-commerce due to quarantines and social distancing during the COVID-19 outbreak. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.